Okay, on the next page, we're going to list out all of the cubes. Okay, we're gonna find the cubes of the most commonly used cubes of the most basic numbers. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna write it right up here. 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, 4 cubed, 5 cubed, 6 cubed. We're going to fill these in. 7 cubed, 8 cubed, 9 cubed, and 10 cubed. Okay, these are rules. There are numerical answers to these. Okay, we're going to write them down so that we have them ready to make our lives easier. Okay, we don't have to figure it out every time. Okay, I'm going to show you there's a couple different ways you can do cubes in the calculator. I'm just going to start with 1. Okay, 1 cubed means 1 times 1 times 1. Okay, you can do that, but that's not the fastest or the easiest way. Okay, you can do 1 and then math 3 is cubed. Okay, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Or you can use this button right here. 1, put it up there to get the exponent and put a 3 there. Okay, either one of those. You can do that with all of these. Okay, so I want you to take a second and using your calculator, fill in all the cubes of the top first 10 numbers. Okay, do 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times 4 times 4, and so on. All the way to 10. This way we'll have them then when we need them. Okay. You can write it wherever, but this way we'll have them. Again, you'll see why. Makes your life easier. Okay. Oh my gosh, the longest buzzer in history. All right, what's 2 cubed? 8. 3 cubed? 4 cubed? 64. 5. 125. Okay, these are the most common ones, okay? You might see these numbers and you don't think about it, but in the future, here, you might want to notice when you see 125, oh, that's a cube, okay? 64, that's a little more common, okay? But 27, that's a special one. You don't see 27 every day, okay? 8, 1, that's a hard one because 1's 1, okay? But it's also a square because 1 times 1 is 1, okay? So 1 is just a special number all around, okay? 6, 216, 7, 343, 8, 512, 9, and 10. 1,000. Okay, so again, they use these, especially the top row, they use those a lot because those aren't as big of numbers, okay? I don't see these quite as often because they get to be really big numbers. But again, if you know your cubes off the top of your head, it makes some of the next things we're going to do really easy. Okay, so first thing is we're going to learn a formula so we don't have to do the factoring, okay? It's called difference of 2 cubes. Okay, a difference of 2 cubes. And we're going to learn a formula for it where all you got to do is plug the numbers into the formula and you're done. Okay, you don't have to calculate it all the way out like we did on the last ones. We were doing the factoring. You know, we had to break it down. It took a while to figure out the stuff. Okay, this way, if you just know what the 2 numbers are, you can plug them right in. Okay, the formula is this. Okay, if it's a cubed minus b cubed, okay, a cube minus a cube. Then to factor it will be a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so we're going to figure out when we do a problem what a is and what b is, and then you just plug it into all the places you see in this formula. This is a different a and b than on ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Anthony, can you take out your earbuds, please? All right, all earbuds out. Thank you. Okay, so number 4, we're going to do x cubed minus 125. I see that's the 2 cubes, right? X cubed is a cube. 125 is a cube. It's a difference because it's subtracting. So this one will be a difference of 2 cubes. Okay, so first we need to label A and B in this formula, okay? So A is what's right here in the A cubed position. So what's our A in this one? Right, no, it's where it's A is what's cubed. So X. X will be in the A position. See, it's in the same position. All right, A cubed, X cubed. So A is X in this problem. Right, and B cubed is this. Okay, well, what cubed gives you 125? 5, right? So if this was 5 cubed equals 125, so B will be 5. Okay. No, because it's A cubed minus B cubed. So the minus is, so this is A cubed. The minus stays the same. And this is B cubed. So B will be 5. Okay, the cube root of 125. Right, then to find the factors, instead of having to factor it like we did, we can just plug it into this formula. So it'll be A minus B. So that in this one, that is, what's A? X. X minus, what's B? 5. Times A squared. So X squared plus A times B, AB. So what's X times 5? 5x. Good. Plus b squared, 5 squared. All right, squared is just